Hello students, today we will do problem number 6 from Pankaj Publications. So problem is here. Narendra Dubey of Pune sent 1000 units of stainless steel vessels to Girija Shankar of Hyderabad to be sold on consignment basis. The terms were that Girija Shankar would get 5% commission plus 2% del credit commission and be reimbursed for expenses incurred. So del credit commission is given. So in case of any bad debts incurred by consignee, he has to bear it. So it won't affect our consignment account. The cost of Narendra Dubey was 50 per unit. He incurred 500 as packing and forwarding charges. So he incurred means here the Narendra Dubey, the consignor expenses is 500. On receipt of consignment, Girija Shankar accepted a bill for 25,000 payable after 3 months. So this 25,000 is nothing but it is the advance. Girija Shankar also paid 1200 as freight and cartage and 800 as rent insurance. So Girija Shankar expenses 1200 freight. Freight is a non-recurring expenses. If there is a calculation of stock on consignment, it has to be taken. 800 as rent, it is a non-recurring expenses. It should not be taken for calculation of stock on consignment. Girija Shankar sold 900 units at 80 per unit. 1/4 of the sales were on credit. One customer failed to pay the amount of 2000 due from him. This will not affect since del credit commission is already paid. Girija Shankar remitted the necessary amount to Narendra Dubey. Give the necessary ledger accounts in the books of both the parties. Anyhow, first problem, the fourth problem I have done with journals and ledgers. So just practice those journals. Now I am doing direct accounting. So it starts with consignment account. Consignment account starts from debit side. Dates are not given, so you can directly start with goods sent on consignment. How many goods sent? 1000 units of 50 each, so 50,000. Next, expenses of consignor. So bank expenses of consignor is given in the question, only 500. Then given advance we will take it in consignee's account. And now sales, so credit side by Girija Shankar. By Girija Shankar sold how many? 900 into 80, so 72,000. Next, expenses of consignee, that is Girija Shankar's. So Girija Shankar account. How much is the expenses? Total is 2000. And now commission. Girija Shankar commission. Commission is given 5 plus 2, 7%. 7% on 72,000. So 72,000 into 7% is equal to, it comes to 5040. So that will be written here debit side. After this, we need to find out closing stock, that is stock on consignment calculation. So let us do working notes for that. Calculation of stock on consignment. Here, value of unsold stock. Unsold is 100 goods, each 50. So 5,000 rupees is unsold. Add proportionate expenses of consignor. So what is expenses of consignor? This is 500. 500 into 100 by how many goods sent? Total goods is 1000. So 50 rupees. Add proportionate non-recurring expenses of consignee. So consignee's non-recurring expenses is 1200. You cannot take total 2000. You need to take only 1200, which is freight. So 1200 into 100 by 1000. So 120. So total comes to 5170. This is your stock on consignment, which has to be shown in the credit side. Stock on consignment 5170. After this, we need to close the accounts. And balancing figure is the profit. So total, this comes to total at credit side 77,170, 77,170 minus all this, you will get balancing figure as a profit. So profit will be written here, and the profit calculation comes to 19,630. After this, we will prepare Girija Shankar's account. Girija Shankar account, and it starts with the advance, and advance given is by bills receivable 25,000 given in advance, and then there is a sales. So sales comes in debit side as consignment account 72,000. After sales, there is expenses incurred by consignee which has to be paid by consignor. So by consignment 2,000, then commission. So consignment account 5040. After this, we balance this account. So 72,000 debit is more. So debit should be equal to credit. So difference will be written as by bank account as a balancing figure. So 72,000 minus 25,000 minus 2,000 minus 5040. So this comes to 39,960. So after this account, we will prepare goods sent on consignment account. So goods sent on consignment account starts from credit side by consignment 50,000. So my debit should be equal to credit. So this is 50 here, then 50. So balancing figure transfers to trading or purchasers account. 50,000 is a balancing figure. Hope you understood this problem. If you like this video, please subscribe, share to your friends, and press like button. Thank you.